But that's what I said earlier. Samir Wankhede had maintained that they would be waiting for the court orders, and once they have a clarity on them, then a stand would be taken. They had also said that if at all the bail is denied,
so
then
if the stance is only going to be taken after the court order, where is it that the NCB is taking the accused at the moment? Why are they being taken out of the NCB office, put in the car and taken where? Because they are clearly, as you rightly mentioned, the NCB is waiting for the court orders at this point.
Chaiti, we'll have to wait for an official confirmation. We'll have to wait for a statement from the NCB. But right now, we'll get you the visuals of what's happening on ground zero. There you are. This is the very vehicle. Here is Aryan Khan, son of superstar Shah Rukh Khan, who would expect to get bail today. The rest of the accused as well. Here you are, the rest of the accused as well. Chaiti, what I'll do is I'll try and follow these people and see where exactly the NCB is taking them.
Let you go, Pankaj. You can go ahead and follow them and see where they're being taken. In the meanwhile, Divyesh is also with us. Divyesh, the live visuals coming in right now are that there are a couple of accused, along with, of course, Aryan Khan, who've been taken out of the NCB office. They sat in the car. Those are the visuals that we're playing right now, and they are being taken somewhere by the NCB. But as Pankaj rightly mentioned, the NCB was going to decide whether to take them to jail or to court, depending on what the court order really is. So where is it exactly that they are being taken remains to be the big question. What are you picking up from your NCB sources at this point? Divyesh?
Chaiti, it has been 48 hours. Chaiti, it has been 48 hours that the last medical was done on all the accused, including Aryan Khan. They are being taken, as per our sources, for a medical checkup, and after that it will be decided whether they'll be taken to jail or brought back to the NCB office. But as of now, what we hear is that they are being taken for a medical checkup, which is mandatory. For every 48 hours, there is a medical checkup done whenever accused are in custody, and that is why. Remember, yesterday there was no medical checkup done. Day before yesterday, a medical checkup on the accused had happened, and 48 hours have passed, and that is why now the accused could be taken for a medical checkup at a government-run hospital, at the JJ hospital in Mumbai, in South Mumbai, after which NCB will decide whether to bring them back to the Narcotics Control Bureau office or they can proceed ahead towards the Arthur Road prison. But while speaking to a media person this morning, Zonal Director Samir Wankhede had clearly told us that we will decide on taking them out to jail only after the order is granted by the magistrate court. It will only be decided once the bail plea is heard and it's decided whether they'll be taken to jail.
I want to go to our reporter who is standing by at the court at the moment to walk our viewers through what is going on exactly in the court, because we showed you from the NCB office, Aryan Khan was taken, he was put in a car. There is no clarity where he's been taken. And I also want to tell you, Pankaj Upadhyay, my colleague, is following that particular car to even figure out where Aryan Khan is being taken, because the NCB clearly has decided that he will be taken to jail or to court depending on what the court order is. The court arguments are going on. There is a fierce face-off that is going on in the court right now. I want to take this across to our reporter who's standing by outside the court. If you can hear me, get us a sense of what is happening inside the court right now. Saurabh Akhtania is joining us. Saurabh.
Well, Chaiti, very interesting things happening inside the court. First of all, the hearing had to start at 12:30, but the advocates from the NCB office, from the NCB officials reached late. Now, when they reached, they said that they want to file a reply which will take another 15 minutes of time. Now, yesterday only the court had said that the NCB has to file and reply in this case, that why the bail should be opposed or should be given. Because when the accused files for the bail, the court asked the NCB officials that what they have to say on this. So what NCB told first, that we need 15 minutes of time. By the time ASG Anil Singh reached, and later on now what we are learning, that the investigating officer VV Singh has also arrived inside the court. Now it's very interesting thing happening. What the NCB officials are saying, that this particular court is not competent to hear this particular bail hearing. NCB officials are saying that Aryan Khan's bail plea and others accused bail plea should be heard by the Sessions Court only. They are saying that this is an NDPS case wherein lot of accused are arrested, commercial quantity of drugs has been found. So the Sessions Court is only the court who can hear the bail application. But what the court has said, the magistrate was very rough in this. He clearly said that I will decide that this is mentability or not. I will decide to hear if we can hear the bail plea or not. You first have to file the reply. On this, NCB officials, NCB advocate ASC Singh has said that I need to find out that whether this court actually can hear the bail application. Only then I can file for the reply and argue on it. Again, the magistrate.
I also want to know what charges, for our benefit of our viewers, let's tell them the charges against Aryan Khan through the NCB at the moment. There have been charges by the NCB slapped on Aryan Khan. What are these charges exactly? Because time and again the NCB has said that there were no drugs that were found on Aryan Khan. So what are the charges at the moment?
So, well, Chaiti, in this particular thing, what the NCB officials are saying that the sections of the NDPS Acts for the consumption are pressed against Aryan Khan. But what the arguments put in by Aryan Khan's lawyer, that Satish Mani Shinde has to say that he was just an invitee in this case. This whole operation was going on since several past days. When Aryan Khan was apprehended, no drugs was found from him.
So you're saying the NCB currently has proof of consumption of drugs by Aryan Khan? Is that what the NCB stance is?
Yes. Yes, Chaiti. The NCB officials are saying that Aryan Khan is charged for consumption, and they are saying that this is a whole big syndicate. What they have to say is that these are very active people on the WhatsApp group. They were in direct touch with the drug peddlers. Now remember, today the NCB officials have arrested a foreign national, which they are saying that they have recovered a commercial quantity of drugs. So what they are saying that all these accused, and this is the whole particular gang who are in touch with the drug peddlers, they are having WhatsApp chats with them, they are purchasing drugs and having a consumption, having a such party on drugs and several other places. But what Satish Mani Shinde and other accused advocates are clearly saying, that they are just friends. If Arbaz is found with the possession of the drugs, but he's just friend, he's nowhere related to the drug peddler. No drugs were found from him. And if one by one NCB keeps on arresting the accused, you cannot keep Aryan Khan to all the time inside the custody. What he's saying, you keep arresting the accused. Whenever you need Aryan Khan,
straight across to Pankaj Upadhyay, who is following the cavalcade of the NCB, where Aryan Khan is also sitting in the car. He's been taken out of the NCB office. We got you those live visuals, and he's being taken somewhere. We don't know where he's been taken. Pankaj, which way are you headed?
Chaiti, in all likelihood, these arrested accused are being taken to the state-run JJ hospital. In fact, we are on the JJ flyover now, and as we finish this flyover, we will have the JJ hospital. So in all likelihood, the arrested accused are now being taken to the state-run JJ hospital for the mandatory medical examination. And it's going to be interesting to see what happens post that. Post the medical examination, will they be brought again to the NCB headquarters, or will they be taken to the court? We'll apprise the viewers of the movement.
So for now, it looks like because they are on that JJ flyover, they left from the NCB office, which happens to be in south of Bombay. They've taken the JJ flyover, perhaps headed to the JJ hospital where all those tests get done. So there is going to be perhaps a medical examination. Pankaj is right behind the cavalcade of cars that has Aryan Khan and the other accused who were taken out of the NCB office. They are on their way right now. JJ flyover only means one thing, that they are on that route towards JJ hospital at the moment. But we'll wait and watch. We'll apprise the viewers as to where exactly they've been taken, because that's a route that you could take even to take them to jail, and that's a route that you could even take them to take to court. But looks like for now they're headed to the hospital at the moment for some medical checkups. We'll apprise the viewers, as Pankaj rightly pointed out. Saurav Akhtania is also with us. Saurav, what's going on in the court at the moment while all of this tamasha is taking place?
So meanwhile, Chaiti, still the arguments are going on. What the NCP officials is keep
I've got an update. Hold on right now. I've got an update. The update is that the first accused including Aryan Khan, will be taken for a medical checkup is the update coming in. And after this, they are going to be taken to the Arthur Road jail. So they've left from the NCB office, which happens to be around the Fort area south of Mumbai. They're on the JJ flyover. They will be taken to the JJ hospital, after which they will be taken to the Arthur Road jail. And that's the same route that they are going to be following, because our cavalcade is also there. Aryan Khan is being taken for a medical test at the moment. After this, he's going to be taken to the Arthur Road jail. Now, the big question, Saurabh, here is there is a hearing going on in court where either an interim bail can be given, or a bail can be given, or perhaps the court decides not to do any of the two, in which case Aryan Khan then stays in Arthur Road jail.
Well, absolutely, Chaiti. See, therefore, Satish Mani Shinde, the advocate of Aryan Khan, is keeping his all doors open, and therefore yesterday they did not file one bail plea, but they filed two bail plea. That's one for the interim bail and second is for the full bail, because NCB officials were claiming that they cannot get bail from this particular court. So what Satish Mani Shinde clearly said that the court can at least give an interim bail. Now, what is interim bail, Chaiti? 7 to 8 days of interim bail. That time, Aryan Khan has to come to the NCB office. He has to sign. Whenever NCB officials call him, he has to appear for the questioning. And in the meantime, Satish Mani Shinde, advocate of Aryan Khan, has to file a full bail plea in the Sessions Court. Now, what happens here for the custody is, yesterday NCB officials said that till the time the bail hearing does not get over, we will keep the custody of Aryan Khan and others in the NCB office itself. Now, in the morning, their RT-PCR report came negative. Now, whenever the accused are taken from one particular place to another, they have to be taken to the court, because if there is any ill treatment, if there is any physical torture or something, that has to be done through the medical examination. Now, Aryan Khan will be is now been taken to the JJ hospital. There will be a proper doctor and also a police personnel who will be present over there. They will be asking Aryan Khan, is there any injury mark? Was there any torture to you? Was there any ill treatment to you? So in that way, a proper medical will be done. Now, the NCB officials are keeping their things ready. Once there is a bail hearing completed, if Aryan Khan and others' bail plea is rejected, immediately what NCB is do is, from directly to JJ hospital, from NCB custody, they will be moving him to the Arthur Road jail. There all the preparations and the documents are already ready. But let me tell you, what Satish Mani Shinde is also looking forward is to continuously pace up the hearing, because if the bail plea is rejected from this particular court, he will be immediately, his team is already ready, who will be filing an urgent bail hearing at Sessions Court. So it's a very technical thing and a very less time, which is,
very interestingly you mentioned this, Saurabh. This is putting the right kind of perspective for our viewers. I believe Sahil Joshi is also with us. Sahil, Saurabh has pointed out a very interesting legal technicality and procedure as well. If you could just explain the technicality for our viewers too, in terms of all, so it just puts the entire story into perspective right now. Over to you, Sahil.
Well, I heard Saurabh, and Saurabh has explained it pretty well. What it looks like, that NCB is fighting tooth and nail so that Aryan Khan, and others should spend some time in Arthur Road jail as well, because that is where the judicial custody is extended, because their demand for the custody was rejected by the magistrate. ASG, Additional Solicitor General, specially himself has appeared for the NCB bail hearing today in the magistrate court. And now what he's trying to say, he's citing some High Court remarks with respect to whether the magistrate can hear the bail applications in the under the NDPS Act or not, is what he's being cited. Mani Shinde specifically gave some examples. Mani Shinde has given example of Riya Chakravarti case. He says that in Riya Chakravarti case, Kaizan Ibrahim was granted bail by the same court, that is the magistrate court. NCB never objected to that. And why they are objecting, that when the other accused who have been found with non-commercial quantity, accused like Aryan Khan who has been found with nothing on him, why are they objecting that interim bail cannot be given? Now, if they get the interim bail, it will be conditional bail. Of course, they will have to present themselves to the NCB, whatever the magistrate will decide. But during that time, they will have to seek a proper bail from the NDPS court as well. but this is a temporary relief which the accused lawyers are seeking at this point of time for their clients, and that is what is going on in the court at this point of time. What we can see at this point of time is that accused now have been brought to the JJ hospital, where because every 48 hours the medical checkup needs to be done of the accused. Till yesterday, the first half they were in the NCB custody. Then when the magistrate announced that the NCB will not get their remand, they will not get their custody. Ideally, they should have been sent to the judicial custody, that is in the Arthur Road jail or Taloja jail. But that did not happen because it happened at 7 o'clock in the night and in the evening, and the jail formalities were closed down by that time. So the NCB office itself was designated as a judicial custody, and then they were taken there. Now Samir Wankhede thinks that he has a lot of other things to do, and he doesn't want to guard these people to whom he cannot interrogate any further because they are in the judicial custody. So now he has taken them to the JJ hospital where the medical checkup will happen, and he will hand over them to the Arthur Road jail authority so that they can go into the proper judicial custody here at Arthur Road jail. Meanwhile, at the magistrate court, the lawyers are seeking the interim relief for these accused. If they manage to get the interim relief, because now what will happen is that the ASG is pushing for the maintainability of this bail application first. So first, the magistrate will have to give order on the maintainability of the bail application. If he says that, okay, the bail application is maintainable, then there will be another argument on whether the interim bail should be given or not. After that, they will be released. If he says that the bail application is not maintainable, then these people, the lawyers will immediately have to move to the Sessions Court, NDPS court, and from there they will need to seek bail. So, it is going to be a procedural war, technical war, which is going on at this point of time inside the magistrate court. It's very interesting the way NCB has put all its might, the legal might, in the magistrate court. The special public prosecutor himself is there. Additional Solicitor General who represents the central agencies in Mumbai is also present at the court, and both of them
yesterday,
are,
Sahil, you and I were talking about this, and the NCB has not given any answers, I know, but at that point of time when they took Aryan Khan for his first medical checkup, and when they are saying that yes, he is consuming the drugs, did they find anything in the medical checkup? Have they made that report public?
No, they haven't yet made that report public. Neither NCB sources have said anything about whether they have consumed drugs or not, what the report is saying. They haven't made it public yet. Forget public, their sources are...
About that interruption, but we've got this big break.